Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the map type on the Map Marker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the map section you can find the map type option and just click that. And new, you can select a different type: Google Maps, Google Maps Satellite, Terrain, Hybrid, OpenStreetMap and Otter, and just select a type and click that. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.